Hello, historians. It's Miss Jones. And today I am presenting to you Monday's new assignment for our virtual remote learning. All right. So what I've done is I've opened up my Google Classroom. I'm utilizing period 2 as my example. All right, here we go. So you want to go into Classwork. These assignments will be uploaded later on this evening. All right, so what you have here is I wanted to show you one quick thing that I've just incorporated last night. If you need access to the online textbook and are having issues with the links that I may assign, here is a YouTube video for you guys to view to get you on the online textbook. All right, so our assignments have not lit up because they have not been assigned yet, but when they do, you have everything that you need here in order to be successful. All right, so first and foremost, the folder or the tab is called Remote Learning, November 23rd through the 27th. So you have a full week to complete this assignment. All right, I'm going to open up the edit view so you guys can see. All right, so I'll put at the top, watch the instructional video, which will be listed here. Read text 3. Text 3 has already been assigned to you. It's called the Louisiana Purchase. All right, and you're going to do 2 key vocabulary words this week. The Pinckney Treaty, you're going to draw. No bulleting. I don't want any words. You're going to draw and color. So draw in color for the Pinckney Treaty. And then lastly, the Louisiana Purchase. You're going to also draw in color as well. You're going to upload a picture of the drawings of these 2 visual vocabulary words and link it to this particular assignment. All right. So take a picture on your cell phone, save it either to your drive and upload it into the assignment. And then lastly, you are going to look at the Louisiana Purchase document and map, which is here below, and I'll open it up, and you're going to read the article that's attached to it, and you're going to complete the map on this Louisiana Purchase chart. All right, so here is the Louisiana Purchase document and map. All right, so it's a quick article of the Louisiana Purchase. And then lastly, you have is a map, and this map, and you can rotate it so it doesn't look, so you don't have to turn your head to the side. And this map, it says, identify and label the 13 states, either wholly or partially developed from the Louisiana Purchase. So I have the 13 partial or whole states numbered here. All right. Then it says, write the date each state was admitted to the Union. So you'll search on the internet, you'll open up a new Google search, and let's do this first one together. I'll do it with you. So you'll open up the search window. Number 1 was Louisiana. And then admitted to the Union. Bam. And April 30th, 1812. Simple as that. You will write this date and attach it to a document, and I'll show you where you put that at. And then lastly, locate the capital of each state, and then you're going to write its name on the other document. So there's a chart that I've created for you guys. So here's the numbers for the 13 states. Search up their union admission on the internet, and then write their capital city. So let's go back to this, our Google Classroom, which I cannot find any longer, but that's okay. We'll pull it back up. All right, and then here is your Louisiana Purchase chart, okay? So here's the best part about it is that this particular document has the Louisiana Purchase here for you. And so all you have to do is look back at this map and look at this map, and you can write all the all the state names here. So I have them listed for you. So number one, which was Louisiana. So you'll type in Louisiana. Then after that, you'll look up the capital city of Louisiana, and you can do that here on your Google search as well. You can pick up Louisiana and then capital city. Capital up. Baton Rouge. Look, I didn't even type it all out. So Baton Rouge is the capital city. And so you'll write Baton Rouge. I love that. Baton Rouge. And then the date in which the Louisiana was admitted to the Union, which was April 30th, 1812. Bam, done for you just like that. So you'll do this for state number 1 all the way to state number 13. All right. So in the Google Classroom, this document has been made a copy for each student. So each one of you have your own document. All right. So read the article, look at the map here. And then lastly, what you want to do is enjoy these videos. This video by Judy Walton is a graphic video about how Louisiana made its first big land purchase. This one, I love House Hunters. I watch House Hunters here on AFN. Well, Mr. Betts is so entertaining with Sue Casa. She is the House Hunter real estate owner, and she is guiding Mr. Betts into making its first big real estate purchase, which was that of the Louisiana. And then this video, the Revolution of 1800, the election of Thomas Jefferson and his Louisiana purchase. This video is by a gentleman named Heimler. Heimler's history. He is one that I use for my AP World kiddos, but he creates also U.S. history videos, and he's rather entertaining and very informative. So watch these 3 videos, and then voila, you are finished. Now, first, don't forget, I'm going to get out of this assignment, but please don't forget, here's text 3. Please don't forget to submit text 3. Many of you had issues last time with text 1 and text 2. When you don't submit, it is late. It's not completed. So make sure you submit text 3, and then make sure you upload your visual vocab and complete the chart and turn it in. You have until Friday by midnight. But remember, Thursday is Thanksgiving Day. Who wants to do homework on Thursday? Not Miss Jones. I won't be on the computer. All right, party people. That is it. That is your assignment for the week. Enjoy. Of course, if you have any questions or would love to hear my voice one more time, please send Miss Jones an email. Say, Miss Jones, will you please Google Meet with me? I don't understand. You know I will. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, be thankful this week. Toodle pip.